Abonete handoff to Sablaon. Then on a shot clock, Sablaon attacks Victoria. Wild shot. Abonete offensive rebound. Fresh 14. Sablaon, that 3 is short. And Ganya with the rebound. Tikas dodging a bullet. They are still down by 2. Tikas though coming up empty. Here's Bragais for the lead. Air ball. Victoria offensive rebound. Victoria in trouble. And that's a turnover for Tikas. Ariate against Bragais to Abonete. To the lane. Oh, and a hard fall by Abonete. And they will review this one. Possible flagrant foul.
This is still in the shaded area in front of the respective benches. And no
Abonete is still down on the floor. Abonete took a hit on his drive to the basket. Abonete still down. Possible flagrant foul on Tikas. They will check on the video. Again, Kamsur leading by 2. But Tikas Kapampangan on a huge run here. Abonete still down. Referees checking if contact is excessive. Possible flagrant foul on the part of Tikas. So if we just join us, Kamsur once led 89-78 early, or check that, 89-76 early in the fourth. But now, Tikas Kapampangan on a 13-2 run, led by Lancer Khan, who made a blaze 3 and a 3-point shot.
Flagrant foul on number 17. Reniel Gomez is third.
So it is confirmed. Flagrant foul on Reniel Gomez. That will be 2 free throws plus possession as we take a look at this drive by Abonete. And
comes in for John Abonete.
Gomez hits Abonete in the face as he tried to stop the attack of John Abonete. So now Matos will shoot a pair. Last possession for the Express. Matos calmly sinking that free throw. 7 points already for Mark Matos. What a game for him here in game 2. He knocks down that second.
That was Salve coming in for Medwin Ariate.
Kamsur now with a 4-point lead. They have the ball.
Stays with 40 seconds.
After that flagrant foul on Reniel Gomez. Matos will inbound. They go to Sablaon. Guarded by Bragais. Sablaon, handoff to Matos. 10 on the shot clock. Matos now being guarded by Santos. Magpantay for 3. It's short. There's a foul. And it's going to be 3 free throws for Verman Magpantay. Foul is on Ganya. And this will send Magpantay to the line for 3 free throws.
That is the 15th foul for Tikas Kapampangan.
So look at Verman Magpantay's numbers, 29. Make it 30. That's his first point of this quarter. Magpantay already with 30 points. 31 now for Magpantay after scoring 21 in the first half. Look at the slow-mo. There's the foul by Ganya as he tried to challenge that three. 3 for 3 for Verman.
Timeout.
And a timeout has been called by Tikas. They are down by 7 points. We will return after this break. And a reminder, the NBL Youth Season 2026 is coming soon. So check our Facebook pages for the announcement. And also coming soon, the WNBL Rising Stars 18 under and 25 under. So watch out for that. Meanwhile, the Governor's Cup Season 2026 is also coming soon. But first, this is the NBL President's Cup Finals Game 2 between Kamsur and Pampanga. We have the Express up by 7 points. Here's Manalang. Kana with the ball on top. This is a long three. And Lancer Khan, another three from way out. That's his second three of this quarter. 96-92. Kamsur with the lead. Abonete to magpantay. 10 on the shot clock. Magpantay. He has 32 points. Ariate nearly losing the leather. Ariate against Khan. 3 on the shot clock. Ariate throws up a prayer. And that's a shot clock violation for Kamsur. A golden opportunity for Tikas. They go to Bragais against Sablaon. Bragais crosses the timeline. Bragais at left against Habonete. Bragais fakes up and under. Pass to Manalang. Manalang with his drive. Kicks it out. Nico Santos from the outside. And it rains the three. That's his fourth three of the game. And it's only a 1-point game. Sablaon, that drive to the basket. Nice defense by Ganya. And here's Khan. A chance for the lead. Bragais with a place three. And Kamsur has called for a timeout as Tikas Kapampangan, thanks to that place three, is now in front. But first, watch this. Khan with that cold-blooded three over Habonete, and then that was followed by another three by Miko Santos, and then crowd erupts as Jenmar Bragais making that place three. We have a timeout. Back to the ball game here at the Pampanga State University, and chance of defense here as Tikas Kapampangan is now up by 2 points after that place three by Jenmar Bragais. Let's see how Kamsur will respond here amidst this crowd here at the PSU in Bacolor. Abonete against Santos. Abonete with 10 on the shot clock. Matos with the ball. Back to Abonete. 7 to shoot. Abonete. The hook shot is short. The follow-up still won't work. Long rebound. It goes to Sablaon. Fresh 14 for Kamsur. Matos with his drive. Kicks it out. Masinas. Short on the three. Rebound by Ganya. Here's Jenmar Bragais with the ball. Escape Sablaon. Bragais now at the right corner. Pampanga on a 9-0 run. Manalang thinking three. Khan for three. It is short. Ganya tries to tip it in. And there's a foul. Abonete is down. Foul on Bragais. Foul on Ganya, I should say. And Abonete still down. Tikas already in penalty. And this means 2 free throws for Jabonete. Coach Jeff Chan on your screen. Potential game-tying free throws for John Jabonete. But he looks hurt. Talking about John Jabonete. And now Jabonete goes back to the bench.
Replaces
He will replace John Jabonete and Arriate. Or Arriate will shoot a pair. Jabonete in a world of pain right now. And Arriate now at the line. He has to hear this crowd here in Bacolor. Referees discussing things here.
warning in Tikas Kapampangan for delaying the game.
A delay of game warning for Tikas. And again, Arriate will shoot 2 free throws. With 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in game 2, Arriate first free throw. Arriate now with 7 in the game. This is for the tie. Masinas with the offensive rebound and the follow-up.
Yes.
And Kamsur is now in front. Wow, all of a sudden Kamsur back with the lead. Manalang to Ganya. There's a foul. And Magpantay with a foul, challenging that dunk attempt by CJ Ganya.
Number 3,
Great effort there by Magpantay to challenge that layup by CJ Ganya, and now Jabonete is back in the game. And Ganya will take 2 free throws. Initially, looks like he thought of taking a free 3, but now Ganya will shoot 2 free throws instead. Ganya, the former NBL MVP, he nails the first. Ganya already had a free 3 earlier. And now we are tied. Ganya, look at that numbers. 9 points, 11 rebounds for the former NBL MVP. No go, rebound by Masinas. So we are tied at 99. Kamsur with the ball. Matos against Manalang. Matos still with the leather. Bounce pass to Masinas against Ganya, thinking 3. Masinas still with the ball. Hand up to Sablaon. 5 on the shot clock. Sablaon attacks Ganya, and Ganya with the block. And that's off Sablaon. It's going to be Tikas ball. And now a timeout has been requested by Tikas. They want to map out the play as we see this block by CJ Ganya against Sablaon. And we will take a short break, and we will return after this timeout. One minute and 27 seconds left. Here in game 2, we are tied at 99. Tikas with a 1-0 lead in this series. Tikas looking for a 2-0 lead. After this game, Kamsur looking to tie. Ganya sees an opening. He stops. And now here is Manalang against Matos. Kicks it out to Bragais. Bragais for the lead. It is short. Arriate with a rebound. Kamsur with a chance here to take the lead. Matos being bothered by Bragais. Look at that defense. Matos escapes. Arriate with the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Arriate passes it to Jabonete. 7 to shoot. Jabonete against Santos. Jabonete shot is good! John Jabonete gives Kamsur the lead. Under a minute to play. Tikas with a chance to respond. Bragais the drive to Ganya. Santos. Ganya fakes. Pass to Manalang. 12 on the shot clock. Manalang throws up a prayer and he will shoot 2 free throws.
Number 10,
Jasper Manalang, a chance to tie, but look at this gutsy play by John Habonete over Miko Santos. And then on the other side, Manalang able to draw a foul. 2 free throws for Jasper Manalang with 42 seconds left. Pressure-packed free throws for Jasper Manalang. And he has been automatic so far at the foul line. Talking about Jasper Manalang. Second free throw is good. We are tied once again. 1-1 all. Listen to the chance of defense. And Tikas is pressuring right now. Masinas. Double team at the corner. Wild pass to Masinas. Tiptoeing in front of the Camsor bench. Almost a turnover for Camsor. Wow. The Express dodging a major bullet here.
18 seconds to shoot.
Ariate will inbound. Habonete with the ball. Pass to Ariate. They go to Habonete again at the post against Victoria. 10 on the shot clock. Habonete against Victoria. Takes this jumper. It does not fall. But Ariate gets the rebound. Fresh 14. Matos for 3. No go. Loose ball. It's with Ariate. Ariate now being pressured. They go to Habonete. Only 14 seconds left on the game clock. We are tied at 101. 4-second differential between the clocks. Ariate against Bragais. And the ball is off Tikas. It's going to be Camsor ball with only 7 seconds left. Only 3 on the shot clock. They will review this. Wow, what a finish to this game too. This is a crucial review. Crucial review here. The initial call is Camsor ball. With a score tied at 101. Referee is double checking. Question is, who touched it last? Our score is 101 to 101. If Camsor ends up with the possession, they only have 3 seconds on the shot clock. So now 7.7 seconds as we see the slow-mo. And that's off Victoria. Based on that review, and Camsor has requested for this timeout. We will return shortly. Back to the ball game, and Genmar Bragais has been crucial for Tikas Kapampangan. 17 points already. He made that place 3 to give Tikas the lead. Bragais also nailing this 3 from the corner. And again, he has been heroic so far for Tikas, but this game is not yet over. 7.7 seconds on the game clock. 3 on the shot clock for Camsor. They have the ball. They will inbound in front of the Camsor bench. Ariate will inbound. Ariate, the hero in game 3 of the semis against the Taguig Generals. He will inbound the ball. Ariate looking to trigger the ball in. They go to Sablaon. 2 on the shot clock. Sablaon pulls up. No go. Who gets the rebound? It's with Camsor. 4 seconds remaining. Pagpantay. Sablaon. 2 seconds. Sablaon for the win! For the win! Sablon nails the three, and Kamsur looks like they have tied the series. Sablon nailing the three, silencing the crowd. But let's check. The referees will check if that shot will count. Sablaon knocking down that 3-point shot. We will wait for the official word. Look at the slow-mo. And looks like it got off in time. And that will count. Sablaon, the hero of game 2. But I think the game is not yet over. There is still time remaining. 0.3 on the clock, they say. And Tikas has called for this timeout with Kamsur leading by 3, 104 to 101. We still have 0.3 on the clock. And we will hang on to the air. Wow, what a heroic effort there as we see it again. Sablaon knocking down that 3 to give his team the lead. And again, Kamsur with another huge shot as we look back at the elimination round. This is Miko Santos knocking down the 3 to give Tikas the victory. And that was also at the buzzer for Tikas to beat the shot clock. And again after that one, it was Jerome Almario and Ariate knocking down that 3 for Kamsur to give them the win. And now we look at this final play, 0.3 on the clock. Kamsur with a 3-point lead, only 0.3. Bragais will inbound. Ganya for the tie, it does not fall, and Kamsur has tied the series.